In this group, which one is odd one? Building is odd one. Write that circle. And B. Snake, child, fish, bird. In this group, which one is odd one? Child. Check everyone. In this session, we are going to learn about living, natural and man-made things. Open your observations part 1, page number 8. This is your EVS part 1 workbook. This is your EVS part 1 workbook. Open your page, textbook workbook page number 8. Sixth bit. Identify natural and man-made things. Natural and man-made things from the pictures given below. Classify them in given table. Identify this picture. This is the sun, a bird, a building, camel, bus, rocket. In this group, which pictures are natural things? We have to complete the natural things column. Which pictures are man-made things? We have to complete the man-made column. First one is sun. The sun is a natural thing or man-made thing? The sun is given by nature, so the sun is a natural thing. And bird. Bird also natural thing. We have to write in the natural things column. Building. Building is a made by man, so building is a man-made thing. We have to write in the man-made things column. Camel. Camel also natural thing, so we have to write in the natural things column. Bus. Bus is made by man. Bus is a natural thing. And rocket. Rocket also made by a man, so rocket is a man-made thing. Like that we complete this natural and man-made things. Sharpen your pencils. Write neatly and carefully. First of all, open your workbook page number 8, 6th bit. Page living thing. And natural thing or man-made thing? Natural thing. Write in the natural things column. B, capital letter, start right top of the line, and I middle letter, closing two blue lines between. R also middle letter, right in two blue lines between. D up letter, right top of the line. Next, building. The building is made by a man, so it is a man-made thing. Write in the man-made things column. Building. B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G. Building. Next, camel. Camel is a natural thing. So write in the natural things column. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Understood? Next, bus. Bus is made by a man, so it is a man-made thing. We have to write in the man-made column. Bus. Next, rocket. Rocket also made by a man. It is man-made thing. Write in the man-made things column. Understood everyone? Once check your answers. Sun is a natural thing. Bird is a natural thing. And camel also natural thing. Building is a man-made thing. Bus is a man-made thing. And rocket also man-made thing. Sun, bird, camel are natural things. Building, bus, rocket are man-made things. Once check your answers and complete that. Okay? Shall I have? Okay. Today's CVS homework. Open your workbook. Page number 10. Open your workbook. Page number 10. Today's yours EVS homework. Part 1 workbook, page number 10. MCQ. Choose the correct option. A mountain is a dash and a non-living thing. Option A natural. Option B man-made. Option C living. Mountain is a natural thing or man-made thing or living thing. Which option is right option here? A, B, C. Option A is natural. B is man-made. C is living. These three, which one is right option? A mountain is a natural. Identify the 10 here. Right option A. And here we complete. You write the name also. Natural. Like that. N-A-T-U-R-A-L. Like that. Complete the blank. Second one. L-I-V-I-N-G living. dash. Option A, have feelings. Option B, do not grow. Option C, do not need shelter. In these three, which option is right option? Option A. This is first one answer. Second one. Living things. Living things dash. Have feeling, do not grow, do not need shelter. Which option is here right option? Second one. Have feeling. A. Option A is right answer. They write have feelings. Okay. Next, third one. A dash is a living thing. Option A, book. Option B, child. C, dog. Which one is living thing? Dog is a living thing. A, B, C. Which one is right option here? Option C. Dog. Okay. Fourth one. Dash do not have babies. Option A, living things. Option B, non-living things. Option C, both living and non-living things. Living things have babies. Non-living things do not have babies. Both living and non-living things. Living things have babies, no? So C is wrong answer. A also wrong answer. Only B is right answer. Non-living things do not have babies. B is correct option. Non-living things. Okay. Fifth one. Non-living things. Option A, do not grow. Option B, grow. Option C, breathe. Which option is right? Non-living things do not grow. A table can grow, a book can grow, this chalk can grow. These are non-living things. Non-living things do not grow. So option A is fifth one. Option A is right answer. Do not grow. Understood everyone? This is today's EVS homework. Everyone has read this, choose the correct answers and complete the options. A mountain is a natural man-made living. Which option is right? You identify and here put the alphabet and write the answer here. Living things have feeling, do not grow, do not need shelter. Which option is right option? Identify and write. A dash is a living thing. A book, a child, a dog. Which one is living thing? A dog is a living thing. A dash do not have babies. Living things, non-living things, both living and non-living things. Like that read and complete the answers. Non-living things do not grow, grow, breathe. Which option is right option? And complete the answers. Okay? Once copy the EVS homework today's. Left line right. My observations. My observations. Part 1. Page number Okay. Coming to living and non-living things. Open your textbook page number 12. Okay. Read this para. Look at the picture below. You can see different things such as a boy, soil, mountains, trees, animals and a bird. A mountain, bird, deer, rabbit, soil. Animals, trees, bird, boy and fish are living things. Mountains, soil and air are non-living things. Let us find out way. Look at each pictures given below. These are some of the activities that living things can do. Living things move on their own. Living things breathe. Living things eat food. Living things produce babies. Living things grow. Okay? Once again read. Living things move on their own. Living things breathe. Living things eat food. Living things produce babies. And living things grow. Living things also have feelings. Humans are living beings. We laugh when we are happy. We cry when we are sad or in pain. Story on the page. Now we know the things that grow, move, eat and react are called things. What are living things? Grow, move, eat and react are called living things. Animals, birds, fishes, insects and trees are all living things. Which things are living things? Animals, birds, plants, insects are living things. A plant cannot laugh, but it can feel. Have you ever tried to touch the leaves of a touch-me-not plant? If you touch its leaves, they fold inwards. This shows that they can feel. Just like human beings and animals, plants also grow. Look at the pictures and learn about the non-living things. These are non-living things. Non-living things features are do the objects in the picture breathe? No, they do not. Do these objects can eat food? No, they do not. They do not move by themselves. They do not grow. They do not have babies. Non-living things do not have feelings. They do not feel anything if we touch them. Okay? Like this read textbook also. Complete your EVS homework. Page number 10. Okay? Very good. Bye.